Vlogmas Day 6. Woo! So we're in the Container Store at South Park Mall. We're seeing how cute things are. Let's get all the blocks. What's that? Is that a cookie jar? Or is it an apple jar? Oh my gosh. Look at this. How do you open this? That's cool. It's a Apple container. Apple. Look at her socks. Aren't they awesome? Look, go away. Go far, far away so you can still see them. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oh, and Mary's gone. Mary's here. Mary's here. Mary's gone. Mary's here. Mary's gone. Mary's here. Mary's gone.
Mary's losing her mind. Okay. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi.
Feel this.
What?
This has been going on for like an hour.
Oh my gosh. Hey, I love you too.
Love you. Gotta go get my phone fixed.
What is wrong with your phone?
I don't know. I want to just throw it, but I have to put it out first.
Oh my gosh. Good luck with your phone.
And when I walk home for Maggie, I really want to know what's wrong with you. I'm glad you're happy, but it's a little suspicious. Listen to the radio. When something is right, I'm feeling.
I don't even know what's wrong with you. No.
What time is it?
8 or 9. I might be 9.
I think it's 10.
9:30.
Who I am, but you don't. You've got me on my toes. I'm slipping into the lava.
I was gonna say water.
Going under. No, we don't like you, ho. Oh, good one. I fell. Oh, that.
Peace, love, and happiness. What is wrong?
Hey, oh, sorry. Sorry.
For you. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! The evil face comes.
So pathetic. I can do one better than that.
Don't try her.
Don't try me. Don't try me.
Don't try me, ho.
Don't even do that. Throw this at you.
What was that?
Here's.
Oh,
It's me! Hey, I need one of those too!
hey, but look, my leg's off.
Can I eat it?
It's about.
Oh! I think I might have actually gotten that.
Mary, stop. You're
Can't forget
Mary,
it.
stop.
Woo!
You're gonna be in Vlogmas.
I will squeeze this on your head.
Can Maggie be in Vlogmas?
Can Maggie be in Vlogmas?
Shut up. You shut up. Go away. You go away.
Y'all are so lovable.
Ow.